Okay, hello there, right, Bigadd again and Mark. We've just now moved out from the laboratory. We've taken the charger out of the anti-static jelly device. It's fully safe to work on now. We've reapplied the new cable at the bottom there like we showed you inside, and we're now coming out to the most dangerous probably part, hence that's why we're outside. What we're going to do is we're going to heat seal the unit, put it back together, heat seal the unit, and then send it back to Mr. John Walters. Walters?
That's Winters.
Winters, sorry.
He's very old.
Very old. Right. Okay, I'm just going to check the parameters before we do this with this device. Yeah,
make sure it don't fall apart.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, right, holding that tight on there. You'll notice it's fully safety. The cone is out. If at any stage you see us run towards the swing area, the cone is opened, and as I explained, it's like very like canary. We've got some Vaseline for later on. We'll show you like that later on. We've got a safety device.
Fire extinguisher.
That's the fire extinguisher pump.
Suck the flames up.
Suck the flames up if it all goes wrong. Mark's now going to do a little bit to camera, and we're going to show you how we do it.
There we go.
So what are you doing there, Mark?
I am lighting the primer stove so the plasma cutter can heat up quickly, because we don't want to be waiting for hours for this.
Is this an adjustable cutter?
Fully adjustable. Adjustable for temperature and for gauge.
Right.
So we're going to be adjusting this to approximately 2 mil, do you reckon, Adam?
About 2 to 3 mil. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, we'll go for 2 mil. This is adjusted to 2 mil. Yeah, 2 mil.
This is a commercial unit. You know, we're currently just been doing a turbine down in Watsham, RAF Watsham, and we've been using it down there with great effect. We have to turn it down quite a lot today because this is obviously a non-commercial adapter. So.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Thank you for that.
Nice.
I'm priming the plasma cutter.
You'll see how quick. This isn't the one that you get in Maplins. This is a proper commercial one. You'll see how quick once it's heated, it goes straight across. You'll see, and then I'll do a little bit close to the camera later on for you.
Yeah, yeah. There we go.
There we go. Mark has a tendency to burn me while he's doing this. Wow. Yes. You know, even though I've done hundreds and hundreds of these, and so has Mark, it never ceases to amaze me, really, the quality. Lovely. That's that side done.
That's good. Notice that I do a high-pitched whistle. It's essential to determine the velocity of the car. If I didn't do that, or done a standard whistle system, that would obviously burn too quickly or too slow. Obviously, the people who are into plasma cutters know that. So. I
think Mark needs to put this down now.
Yeah, I think that was an oversight.
Yeah, that was probably health and safety, but
yeah, sorry about that.
You can get kickback. Lovely. Yeah, that's done it straight away. Oh, that's lovely. Can you see a little bit of smoke coming off there?
A little bit of smoke.
One more side, and then just the back.
I'm going to readjust this before you go on. I'm going to readjust this to 4 mil.
Oh, right.
Because I believe we need a neat finish, and I think we're going to have to adjust it to 4 mil, and I'm going to add 4 degrees of temperature. I didn't tell you the temperature before, quite simply because if I start talking about temperatures, you're just going to get completely confused, because I know people who use detectors often are unable to grasp detection temperatures.
Is that a problem?
That is a problem,
oh,
yeah.
Okay. I think that's probably hot enough now.
Yeah.
There we go. There's the smoke. There's the smoke.
Yeah, no smoke.
There's the smoke.
Careful there.
That's lovely. Lovely. There we go.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, we've just got one long to do. Yeah.
So we're going to do a close-up in a minute. May I thank you all for watching this.
And you should have learned quite a lot.
Yeah. I would probably say don't do it yourself. We might be releasing this as a DVD for Christmas. We're not sure.
Yeah, yeah. Definitely. Last.
There we go. Straight across. There we go.
That'll do.
Lovely. So we're going to turn this off now. What we're going to do is Mark's going to use the Vaseline. This is industrial Vaseline, commercial again. I'm just going to put some on the joints. That stops dry joint syndrome. Yeah, there we go. We've put a different attachment on there now. That's lovely. Lovely. There. Lovely.
It's absolutely lovely.
Lovely.
Yeah, that'll do.
Lovely.
That is absolute.
Just a little bit on the end here.
I think I made a mistake earlier when I welded this. The last cut, I didn't whistle.
Oh, right, okay. Do you want to whistle now? There we go.
Actually,
Right,
yeah.
okay. So, this is obviously now going to be Mark's last bit in front of the camera. Once Mark's cleared up. There we go. So, you know, we're finished now. I'm going to do a close-up on this for you. This is going to go first-class post to John Walters. Winter, sorry. Oh, yeah. And we're going to send him a lovely, lovely letter like we've received. We're going to watch our spelling because he's a bit with spelling. And that's it. Anything else you want to say, Mark, before you go?
Well, I'd like to say, to die for, really.
It is to die for, Bubba.
Right.
Okay, so Mark's now going to go behind there. We're going to do a close-up, and that's a wrap. Here we go. It's still quite hot. I don't know if you can see that, how we've heat welded that. Can you see that around there?
We haven't got very good focus on there. Let me just. There we go. We get a little bit. Let me. Yeah.
Is that better?
That is better. Look at that.
We follow that.
Is that loose at all? Just make sure that isn't loose.
It isn't. What the heat welding does, it bonds it together. The molecular structure of plastic bonds well with a certain amount of heat.
Is that a PET or polyvinyl chloride?
It's a polyvinyl chloride we've put on there. And there it is, minelab. I think the best detector there is. Mark thinks Tesoro and a Lobo is the best detector. If anybody from minelab's watching, I'll have an E-track, and Mark will have an E-track.
Yeah, I'll have an E-track, definitely. Yeah.
And if they are watching, you know, we will actually be prepared to work with the likes of Gary Brunn, Iron-Hearted Gog.
We may allow him to.
We may allow them to. Like I said, we might do this as a DVD. We might do this as a PFP download. We don't know yet. But that's it, you know. Thanks, John Walters. Sorry, Winters.
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah,
Thanks for allowing us to do this.
He's old, by the way.
He is. Please don't, people on the forum like Sadlers and people like that, don't inundate us with requests to do these because, like I say, we are doing a submarine next week. Have a good Christmas, and I shall see you all next year in the rallies.
Yeah, okay.
Bye-bye.